This is how you can set up a local SEO strategy in about 10 minutes. It's this specifically that's going to save you hundreds of hours. First, you need to understand if your business categorizes as a local business. The best way to know this is to think, what am I and what do I do? For example, for this client of mine, what am I? And then people search by location. Or for this other one, what is it that I do? Sell homes, so home for sale, and people search by location. But that's the difficult part, to know if people search by location. But it's easy with this next step. So if we go with home for sale as the main keyword, all you have to do is search it in a tool like Ahrefs and then go to suggested keywords. And it's going to show you keywords that contain that main keyword. And you can see that people seem to use the location at the end of it, like home for sales and then New York, for example. That order is actually crucial because of the next step. I want you to open a fresh Google Sheets and download this Google Sheets plugin that you see on screen. If you want the link of the tool, just comment local and I'll give it to you. Once it's activated, you should be able to see it in this toggle right here. Click open and it will open in the right side of the screen. And we're going to use one of the free formulas that it gives you, this one right here. And it's pretty easy to use. Just copy it and then paste it in the first cell. And in the first set of quotes, I want you to type your keyword. In this case, home for sale, and then right here, the location, which will be the country. Just keep in mind that it needs to have capitals. If not, it won't work. And there you go. Magic. Literally, the tool is going to find every single city in that country, which is unbelievable. You might say, oh, I can just get that with ChatGPT. Actually, it's harder than you think. You just keep asking ChatGPT, give me every city, and it just doesn't give it. So this does it in seconds. Just keep in mind that it only does cities, not counties or neighborhoods. Then copy the whole thing and then just paste it again, but only the values. So you delete the formula and end up with the true values. Now we clean it up by selecting the column and erasing the duplicates because he adds some, I don't know why. And now we're going to figure out of all these keywords and locations, which ones are actually searched. So you're going to select many of them. If you have Ahrefs, you can search up to 10,000 keywords at once. So I select them, I go to Keyword Explorer, which I'll give you the link if you comment local also. Search them and there they are, the ones that actually have volume and the king keywords that we want. Having done this, you're actually about 80% done. The last part I recommend you to do is to open all these keywords and look at the search results. And once you start to open a lot of keywords and a lot of results, you start to see patterns of what it is that the ranking pages actually have in their pages. So you're reverse engineering competitors, making notes of it, and you can add exactly that in your page. As you can see from my client, I added that, which was the title, the homes, FAQs, different tips, and this made us rank. The reason why this strategy is a game changer is because you probably will be creating many pages, and each one of those can bring a bit of traffic. So this traffic can start to compound a lot as these many pages start to rank better and better. And now it's your turn. Let's go.